Hi everyone, Filvet is here, and this is 15th video about my new personal project, and it is a military hangar with rocket inside in Gears of War 5 universe. And right now I want to tell you about AI, and in general I didn't use any AI tools in my process, but just for demonstration that it is not a problem for me to use AI, and I just tried how it is to work like ChatGPT, Huan and other. I also tried Spark 3D, so just to check how it works in Unreal. And yeah, and here I can tell you what I did. So I just created some image and then ChatGPT, and then I used Huan just to generate some geometry with textures, and then I optimized from 500,000 of polygons just to 500. And here you can see that I put this pen on my table. So yeah, so it was just a demonstration that it will be not a problem for me if on some future project some company will ask me to work on AI generation. It's not a problem for me. Thank you and have a good one.